Hi guys, I am Priya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are fine and having an amazing day. So yeah, in today's video I will be reviewing two lehengas from a website called Ethnic Plus. So Ethnic Plus is not a shopping app but it's a shopping website. It sells a large varieties of Indian wears like saris, lehenga cholis, sharara sets, anarkali sets and many more. So it's a very good website. It also sells designer sets from Sabyasachi, Manish Manotra. It's a copy actually, but it sells in a very affordable price and the quality is like awesome. So yeah, I will be reviewing lehengas from this website, so stay tuned and let's start the haul. So the first lehenga which I have ordered from Ethnic Plus is this mauvey purple net lehenga. So the packaging is like super. It comes in a very huge good quality bag. So yeah, thumbs up for the packaging and this bag. So yeah, this is the lehenga. I don't know whether this camera is able to justify its color or not, but it's a mauvey color, mauvey purple net lehenga. I mean, I'm just in love with this color. I don't know, maybe it's not able to satisfy its color. No, you guys can see the work. I mean, it's so good. I'm just in love with this lehenga. The quality is like awesome. So actually it's a net lehenga, but I've also ordered net lehengas from Myntra and Meesho before, but the quality of the net was not so good. But here the quality of net is like so soft, so soft. I am just in love with this quality. Also you can see the work. I mean, the work is done so well. Precise work, you can get the precise work here. You can see its border. I mean, it's like so good. Also you get can attached with it. So I think it's a great deal. With shipping I paid rupees 3500 for this lehenga, and according to the price, the quality, the material is like awesome. The quality of the material is like awesome. Also it comes with a can, and the quality of this can is like so good. So yeah, I am just in love with this lehenga. You guys can see it's like a heavy designer lehenga. So yeah, you can definitely go for it if you are looking for a lehenga. So yeah, I'll show you guys its dupatta. So the dupatta is quite simple, but it has a border all around it and it has a flower work. So it has a very simple dupatta, but I think it looks really classy when you style it. So yeah, so the blouse, so this is its blouse. So I have already stitched this lehenga, but when you will order it, you will get this lehenga in semi-stitched condition. So yeah, this is all about this mauvey purple lehenga. I am just in love with this lehenga. The quality, the material, the color, everything is like awesome. So I'll give it 10 out of 10. So if you are thinking to get a lehenga for any festive season, you guys can definitely go for this. So that's all. So let's move on to the second lehenga, which is this floral print black lehenga. So yeah, this is a very heavy lehenga. It is Sabyasachi inspired lehenga actually. So yeah, let me open this. My god, this is like so heavy lehenga. So this is the second lehenga. I mean, you can see the fabric and the border. So it has a very large border actually. Also it has a huge can. I mean, the quality of the can is like awesome. So yeah, it comes with a heavy can. The quality of the can is like so good, so it will give a very good flair to your lehengas. Also it has a very big floral design, you guys can see, and it is so heavy. You guys can see it is like so heavy lehenga. So I am just in love with this lehenga. The quality is like so good, the material is like awesome, and this border, I think this is the best part of this lehenga. The border is like so good. So this is actually lehenga which I have ordered for my sister. So this is actually not mine, but I've ordered it for my sister, and the quality is like so good. You'll get this lehenga in a semi-stitched condition, but my sister has already stitched this lehenga. So yeah, this is all about this lehenga. So let's move to its dupatta. So in most of the lehengas, the dupattas are quite simple, but in this lehenga, the dupatta is like so good. It has a very huge border, golden border. Also it has a small print. So yeah, you guys can see the dupatta is so good, and I think it adds a extra flavor to your lehenga. I am just in love with this dupatta. It's like so good. You guys can see the work. So yeah, this is, and it has a net dupatta, and the material of the net is like so soft. So you guys can see the dupatta. So yeah, so now let's move on to its blouse. So my sister has already stitched the blouse. You guys can stitch it in any way. So it's a simple, you'll get a fabric of I guess one meter. So yeah, you can stitch as you wish in any design. You guys can give your designs to the tailor and they'll stitch it for you. So yeah, I paid 3200 with shipping for this lehenga, and according to the price, it's like very good, and it's a great deal. I mean, in 3200 you are getting a Sabyasachi inspired lehenga, and that's so good. Also the material is so good. I mean, I can't explain. I mean, it's like so good. So you guys can definitely go for this lehenga. So yeah, if you're looking lehengas for any festive season, wedding functions, wedding ceremonies, you can definitely go for this black floral print lehenga. I think it's like so good. You guys can see it's can guys, such a huge can just for 3200. I mean, I'm like shocked, totally in shock. So yeah, you guys can definitely go for this lehenga. So yeah, this is all about today's haul. So you guys can definitely get lehenga, sharara sets, anarkali shades, sari from Ethnic Plus. It is such a trusted website. You guys can definitely go. It also has a easy return policy, so you'll have no problem. Even if you don't like the lehengas, you can easily return, so there's no problem in it. So yeah, you guys can definitely go and get your favorite lehengas from Ethnic Plus. So yeah, this is all about today's haul. I hope it will help you to find your designer lehenga. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys like my video. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you guys can get notified whenever I post something new. So yeah, I will be coming up with new videos really very soon, so stay tuned for that. And bye bye, have a great day.